Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to Royal Bank of Scotland online. First of all, open up your preferred web browser on your mobile device or your computer, and then in the URL box type in rbs.co.uk and search. This will take you to the Royal Bank of Scotland's official website. After you do that, click on the login button at the top left corner. This will open up the sign-in area. Select whether you'd like to enter your customer number or card number from the tabs available, and then type down your credential according to your selection. After typing down your customer number or card number, tap on Continue. After tapping on the Continue button on the next page, write down your password associated with your online banking account. You may be asked to enter your security code sent to your phone or use a security device or application for two-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions, and after entering all required information, you will be signed into your online banking dashboard. And that's how you can easily log in to Royal Bank of Scotland online banking account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.